with an exponential increase in the volume of data being generated in the world today. Databases are growing rapidly in size and importance. So much so that it has become challenging for organizations to manage the volume and growth rate of such large datasets. Creating and updating large databases involves a lot of heavy lifting. You also need to deal with various performance issues, plan for disaster recovery, as well as other unknowns. As your needs evolve, you need to iterate your schema and manually provision additional resources to accommodate the iterations. Simply put, you need a database which is easy to set up, operate, and scale. You need Alibaba Cloud ApsaraDB for RDS. Built on the Alibaba Cloud Distributed File System, RDS is a pre-configured, on-demand managed database service with the popular database engines MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, as well as Postgres Plus Advanced Server, PPAS for enterprise customers. It automatically replicates your data across different zones when you select the multi-zone deployment, ensuring high availability and reliability. It frees you from the routine administrative task of managing a database, such as provisioning, patching, monitoring, backup, and restore. So you will have more time to focus on your applications and their development. Let's take a look at the benefits of RDS in detail. Security. ApsaraDB for RDS offers a multi-level security defense system against DDoS and brute force attacks. It blocks blacklisted IP addresses at the entry level, keeping your cloud environment secure. Availability. It ensures high availability of production workloads through advanced features such as automatic failover, real-time synchronization, and multi-zone deployment. Scalability. ApsaraDB for RDS allows you to scale up and down your database based on your application's real-time needs. It supports up to 20,000 IOPS and 2 TB storage of each instance. Usability. It allows you to manage instances effortlessly using the Alibaba Cloud Management Console. You can easily add, delete, backup, restore, and even migrate the database with a single click. Automatic backup. Data is backed up daily and uploaded automatically to Alibaba Cloud Object Storage Service, OSS. This eliminates the risk associated with managing and maintaining your business-critical data and improves disaster recovery capabilities. Automatic monitoring. With ApsaraDB for RDS, you get real-time monitoring such as CPU utilization, IOPS connections, and disk space utilization to protect your business's critical applications. You can schedule inspections and customize metrics to help improve the performance of your instances during peak traffic. Like all other Alibaba Cloud products, you only pay for the resources you use without making any upfront investments. Set yourself free from the time-consuming administrative task of managing a relational database. Manage, provision, and optimize your database efficiency with Alibaba Cloud ApsaraDB for RDS. Sign up for Alibaba Cloud ApsaraDB for RDS today.